Many people travel to the station at the end of the line. Engines from the other railway often pull their trains here. They come and pull them, and then go home the next morning. Gordon was talking to one of these. "I remember the days when I was young and green," he said. "I used to travel to London. Do you know the place? The station is King's Cross." "King's Cross!" spluttered the engine. "London's Euston. Everybody knows that." "Rubbish," said Duck. "London is Paddington. I know. I used to work there." The engines started arguing. They argued for quite some time. They argued when they went to bed, and they were still arguing when the other engine left. Soon James came. "Oh, at least you've agreed on one thing," said James. "What is that?" said Gordon and Duck together. "London's not Euston. Now shut up." And he puffed away. Gordon wanted to prove that he was right. Backed onto the express. "If I don't stop at the station," thought Gordon, "then I can go to London." Gordon ran straight through the station, but his driver checked him. He stopped, but he couldn't get there. He tried to leave. Another time he tried to leave before the fireman could uncouple the coaches, but he checked him every time. One time, then, Gordon was uncoupled from the train and went into a siding. The first 10 minutes passed, then 10, then 15. Gordon was confused. What? Why isn't it left? The yardmaster came running up. The engine for the express has derailed in the yard, coming out of the yard. Nothing can get in or out. Can you pull the train? Said. With fat controllers, with permission of the fat controller, of course, said Gordon's driver. Went in, and he agreed at once. Gordon quickly backed up to the train. It felt like ages until they were ready. But it was only just a few minutes. Then the guard's whistle blew, and Gordon raced off. We're going to town, said the coaches. First slowly, then faster and faster. We're going to town. Gordon found that London was a long ways away. Sir, said the station master. Have you read the news? No. Why? Headlines say famous engine visits London station. That sounds wonderful, said the pet controller. It was a few days till Gordon finally came home. He talked to his driver. We had a wonderful time, said Gordon's driver. We signed autographs until our arms ached, and Gordon had his picture taken so many times at once he hardly knew where to look. Sounds like you had a wonderful time, Gordon, said the pet controller. No, sir, I didn't, sir. Why ever not? London's all wrong, sir, he said. The station isn't King's Cross. It's St. Pancras.